Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. This is Classic Match. We have resumed our work. Please come one, come all. Call your sisters, call your brother. This platform is where you look for perfect match, perfect partner, life partner, marriage, not hook up, not where you come to look for sugar mommy or sugar daddy. No, this is God ordained project. So you have to be holy when you want to come here. If you know that you have ulterior motive, this platform is not for you. So dear brothers and sisters, if you know that we have posted your match, your promotion before, and you haven't gotten your match, please feel free to chat our number, give us your evidence of payment, and you will be added in our WhatsApp group. Now we have two types of matchmaking: one, group matchmaking; two, private matchmaking. Group matchmaking is that every registered member will be added in the WhatsApp group. The serious minded individual, those who really want to get married, the matured mind individual, those who really want to get married, they will register with us and we are going to add them in WhatsApp group. From there, they are going to chat and talk with a lot of potential partners. From there, they will pick their match. And this group matchmaking, your registration lasts for 1 year. After 1 year, if you couldn't find your match, you are going to re-register. Then and is non-refundable. And again, the private matchmaking, those ones, we are going to work one in one with you, hand in hand with you, and make sure that you are going to have and get your perfect match one on one, hand in hand. If you don't want to be in WhatsApp group, no problem, you step aside and we work one on one with you, hand in hand with you, until we get you perfect match. Then you have to wait. Your waiting period should be between 6 months to 1 year. After 1 year, if you couldn't get your match, we are going to refund you half of your money. So if you're a private matchmaker, you can also belong to WhatsApp group. Every registered member is entitled to enter into the WhatsApp group. But if you are registered under private matchmaker, if you don't want to belong in that WhatsApp group, no problem, you can step aside and we work one on one, hand in hand, foot and foot with you until you get your match. So, dear people, we have a lot of write-ups that will guide you. So, if we give you the write-up, dear brothers, dear sisters, please try to read it, digest it, assimilate it, so that you are not going to make any mistake. We don't want you to dabble into any mistake or any temptation. Please read the write-up very well. If you really want to register with us, see our number, copy it, chat us, we give you the write-up, you read it. If you are happy with it, you register with us. If you are not happy, no problem. If you want to really think about it, no problem, you go and think about it and come back. We are going to do whatever you ask us to do and not doing otherwise. We are not going to do what we like or what we wish is your wish. We are going to do. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye for now.